Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a move-in ready 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse for sale. It is located in a small gated community in the sought after neighborhood of Havendale on Madison Drive. The home has its own internal laundry, low maintenance fee, and lots of storage. The floor space is 1,250 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is Jamaican 35 million or US $227.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.